Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly transfer money from your SMI1 card to Cash App. First, open Cash App on your mobile device and tap that profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen. Now scroll down and select Linked Banks and then tap Link Debit Card. Enter your SMI1 card details including the card number, expiration date, 3-digit CVC and zip code. Once you have entered these details, tap Link Card at the bottom to connect your card. Next, return to the Cash App home screen and tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner and select Add Cash. A pop-up will appear. Either choose a preset amount or tap the three-dot icon to enter a custom amount. Hit Add Cash at the bottom and confirm with your Cash App PIN. And that's it, guys. You have successfully transferred money from your SMI1 card to Cash App. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.